Nathan from the United Arab Emirates wants to know about heavy humidity in the Arab Emirates.
I'm thinking he could probably tell us.
Well, it is by the ocean.
He gets the prize, though, as the person who came the furthest with the question this week. All right.
We had one from Russia a long time ago.
Yeah, and Germany, and we get them every now and then. We get them from around the world because of this World Wide Web thing. But Nathan writes, there is too much humidity now. Our AC ducts are sweating and water is present on the ceiling. Our duct system, he says, is 15 years old. And I wonder if any additional coating above the ductwork rather, could prevent this, Tom.
Yeah, by insulating the ducts because they're getting so cold.
Yeah.
It's like, I'm going to go back to the beer can, Coke can out by the pool.
Well, hang on. This is United Arab Emirates. It would be a beverage.
A beverage.
Not alcohol.
That's true.
Yeah,
I don't want to insult anybody.
Don't get the guy in trouble.
No, be politically correct. But it's gonna sweat, and so that means, could it be insulated better? Yes. Is it insulated at all? Because
it could have been. It's 15 years old.
I understand that, and they are by the ocean, so they could have heavier humidities. You always think of the desert, like with Saudi Arabia and stuff, but they are by the ocean. But one of the things that I find when I'm dealing in the education business, we have people come from Nigeria, India, places like that. They don't understand air conditioning as well as, of course, we do in Houston, being the most air-conditioned city in the world and having it probably longer than most cities in the entire world. And in fact, they don't have central air in India. If you're a million air doctor, you still have a window unit sitting next to your bed. They just don't have it. So I'm wondering if the practices are really...
I think those window guys are probably giving way to split systems these days, though.
Not over in those parts of the world.
Okay.
It's really starting to just reach other parts of the world.
Okay.
And so I'm wondering if they insulate it enough. You probably need at least an R8 insulation on that ductwork. And yes, by insulating the ductwork, you're absolutely right. It won't sweat.
I don't know, Tom.
What?
I think that this question has too much ambiguity in it. I think, Nathan, what you need to do...
Call Absolute Comfort Air and fly them out there.
Even better. I think more importantly, what you need is a qualified, first-hand, objective view of this. And Tom and I would be willing to get on Emirates Airlines and fly first class over there.
Oh, first class, yes.
To check it out for you and
I'm not sitting
and
in the
help you
back.
out. Because, the UAE is on my bucket list, and we'd be good to go. Just in case you want to give that some thought.
No, first class is good.
Yeah, and you guys in orange, I don't want to come over and look at that. All right, you got a question, go ahead and send it to us.
If it's first class, I'll go.
Not to orange.
Jasper.
But anyway, Jasper, well, we've been to
once,
Jasper. We did that, right. Anyway, you got a question. See, we go anywhere. You got a question. All you have to do is go to HomeShowRadio.com and fill out that Ask Tom form and send it our way. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.